Hi guys, welcome to this yoga training video. This can be implemented at any point of your day that is perfect for you. I'll pass you over so you can get started.
Cheers, Vince. I will take it from here, my friend. Hello and welcome to your practice. Thank you for choosing to spend these next few minutes with me on your mat. Today, we'll flow through a gentle sequence designed to awaken your body, connect with your breath, and set a peaceful tone for the rest of your day. There's no need to push or strain. Just listen to your body and move in a way that feels good for you. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seat on your mat, perhaps cross-legged or on your shins. Close your eyes gently and let your hands rest softly on your knees. Take a moment to arrive here, leaving everything else behind. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you completely. Let your shoulders relax away from your ears and lengthen your spine, imagining a string gently pulling the crown of your head toward the sky. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose, filling the belly and chest, and a long, slow exhale out through the mouth. One more time. A big inhale and a full, complete exhale, letting go of any tension. Now, sealing the lips, begin to breathe in and out through your nose. This is our Ujjayi breath, our victorious breath. It creates a soft, oceanic sound at the back of your throat, helping to build internal heat and focus the mind. Stay with this steady rhythm. On your next inhale, reach your arms up overhead, stretching through your fingertips. As you exhale, gently twist to your right, bringing your left hand to your right knee and your right hand behind you. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale to deepen the twist, maybe gazing over your right shoulder. Keep both sit bones grounded. Inhale, come back to center, arms reaching high. Exhale, twist to the left, right hand to left knee. Left hand behind you. Inhale, find length. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale back to center, arms up. As you exhale once again, let's make our way onto all fours into a tabletop position. Your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Spread your fingers wide, pressing into the mat. On an inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and gaze for cow pose. On your exhale, round your spine. Press the mat away and tuck your chin to your chest for cat pose. Let's flow with our breath. Inhale for cow, opening the heart. Exhale for cat, rounding through the upper back. Continue this movement, letting your breath guide you. Feel the beautiful articulation through your entire spine. Let's do one more full round. Come back to a neutral spine. Tuck your toes under, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lift your hips up and back into our first downward facing dog. Your hands are shoulder width apart. Your feet are hip width apart. It's okay if your heels don't touch the mat. Feel free to bend your knees generously to prioritize a long, straight spine. You can pedal out your feet, bending one knee and then the other, gently stretching the backs of your legs. Shake your head yes and no, releasing any tension in your neck. Press firmly into your palms, sending your hips high. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. On your next inhale, look forward between your hands. As you exhale, once again, slowly walk your feet to the top of your mat, coming into a forward fold. Keep your knees soft. Let your head hang heavy. You can grab opposite elbows for ragdoll pose, gently swaying from side to side. Release your hands back down to the mat. On an inhale, lift halfway, bringing your hands to your shins or thighs for a flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, press through your feet and slowly rise all the way up, rolling up one vertebra at a time, your head being the last thing to lift. Reach your arms overhead. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Tadasana, mountain pose. Ground down through your feet. Inhale, reach your arms high. Exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward, back to Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, plant your hands, step back to a high plank position. Your body is in one long line. Engage your core. Take an inhale here. On your exhale, lower your knees to the mat, then your chest and chin, keeping your elbows tucked in. Inhale, slide forward into a low cobra, lifting your chests, keeping your hips on the mat. Shoulders are down and back. Exhale, release down. Press back through your hands and knees. Tuck your toes and lift your hips back to downward facing dog. Let's take a full breath cycle here. Inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, lift your right leg high behind you. 3-leg dog. Keep your hips square. Exhale. Step your right foot forward between your hands. Lower your back knee to the mat. Untuck your back toes. Inhale. Rise up. Arms reaching high for a low lunge. Hold for 1 moment. Let your hips sink forward and down, feeling a stretch in your left hip flexor. Keep your core engaged to protect your lower back. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your hands down to frame your front foot. Tuck your back toes. Lift your back knee and step back to downward facing dog. Inhale. Lift your left leg high. Exhale. Step your left foot forward between your hands. Lower the back knee. Untuck the toes. Inhale. Sweep your arms up. Low lunge on the other side. Shoulders relaxed. Heart open. Breathe into the space you're creating. Enjoy this stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Hands to the mat. Tuck your back toes. Leaf technique. And step back 1 more time to downward facing dog. Take a deep, cleansing breath. From here, gently lower your knees to the mat and find your way into child's pose. Bring your big toes to touch, knees wide, and sink your hips back towards your heels. Rest your forehead on the mat. You can have your arms stretched out in front of you or resting alongside your body. This is a pose of surrender, a pose of rest. Allow your body to feel heavy. Let your breath soften. Reconnect with the feeling of the ground supporting you. Acknowledge the work you've done. Slowly, begin to walk your hands back towards your body, gently rolling up to a seated position. Come back to that comfortable cross-legged seat we started in. Bring your hands to your heart center, palms pressing together. Close your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Notice the shift in your energy, the stillness in your mind. Carry this peace with you throughout your day. Let's take 1 final breath together. Ready, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Bring your thumbs to your third eye, the space between your eyebrows. The light in me honors and sees the light in you. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. Have a beautiful one, and I will pass you back to Vince.
Well, people, you have been amazing. Take this clarity and feeling into and throughout your day. Catch you in the next one.